In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a newsletter on Mailchimp. Perfect for beginners. So let's get started on transforming your communication strategy and reaching your audience effectively with Mailchimp's robust tools. First, head over to Mailchimp.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in, but if you're new, you can sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and click on Create. Then select Email. Here, you'll want to choose Regular Email for your newsletter. A quick tip, if you're thinking about setting up recurring newsletters in the future, you can explore the automated option later on. Next, it's time to set up or choose your audience, the people who will receive your newsletter. Click on Audience and then All Contacts. If you haven't created an audience yet, click Create Audience, fill out the necessary details, including a memorable audience name, a default from name and email address, and a reminder text that informs subscribers why they're receiving your emails. Optionally, you can import contacts via CSV or Excel, or integrate with platforms like Shopify or WordPress. Now, let's build your newsletter campaign. Start by selecting Create, followed by Email, and pick Regular. Name your campaign something engaging, such as Weekly Inspiration Number 1, and select your audience list. Hit Begin to start crafting your newsletter's content. At the campaign setup page, refine your message. Choose your audience, specify the sender's name and email, and create an eye-catching subject line. An example could be your weekly inspiration plus tips inside. Don't forget to add a preview text like 3 marketing tips to power up your week, which will appear alongside your subject line in inboxes. With the basics covered, proceed to design your newsletter. Click on Design Email and pick a template. Mailchimp offers various layouts and themes catering to different purposes like e-commerce or education. Beginners should focus on using their brand colors, adding a headline, including a main image, and ensuring all text is concise and friendly. A clear call to action, like read more or shop now, at the end, paired with social media links, will maximize engagement. To personalize your newsletter, use merge tags such as OFNAME for the first name, giving each recipient a tailored experience. Test this by clicking on a text block, choosing merge tags, and selecting first name. Now, it's crucial to preview and test your newsletter. Enter preview mode to check both desktop and mobile views and send a test email to yourself. Ensure all links work, images display correctly, and the subject line appears enticing in the inbox. Finally, when everything is polished, hit Continue. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a later time, ideally midweek around 10 a.m. in your audience's time zone to enhance open rates. After sending, dive into your results by navigating to Campaigns and then Reports. Here, you'll find valuable data like open rates, click rates, and device performance, which you can use to refine future newsletters. And as a bonus, remember to save your finalized design as a template to simplify the creation of future newsletters. This will save you time and ensure consistency across your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with Mailchimp.